Toasty granola with dried strawberries. Here's what you will need to prepare this recipe. In a medium bowl, combine the rolled oats, pumpkin seeds, almonds if using, a little salt, and some ground cinnamon. In a small bowl, stir together olive oil, honey, and vanilla. Add the oil and honey mixture to your oat mixture and stir thoroughly to combine. You want to make sure that the oats and nuts are completely coated with the honey and the oil. Spread the mixture onto a rimmed baking sheet that you have lined with a sheet of parchment paper. Bake for 20 minutes at 325 degrees. You may need to rotate the pan halfway through cooking, depending on your oven. And then let the granola cool completely before breaking it into clusters. This will also help ensure you have large clusters by letting it cool completely. Once cool, add the dried fruit. I used freeze-dried strawberries, but bananas, craisins, or raisins would work just as well. Or you can leave the fruit out entirely for a more savory granola. Break it into clusters and it's ready to serve, and it'll keep in an airtight container for about a week. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.